headed to Schaumburg Regional Airport. We're going to do a flight with Butch Banya. So we're going to be flying in a Cessna 150. It's my first experience behind the controls of a light aircraft and an aircraft at all, so I'm looking forward to, getting used to how it flies, taking the controls for a little bit, and experiencing what it's like to fly a plane.
So for our flight today, we'll be flying on this beautiful Cessna 150F, decked out in the United States Air Force colors. It's a 57-year-old aircraft that will be departing from Schaumburg Regional Airport, going out to our west-northwest, taking a couple turns around, feeling the controls, seeing how the aircraft responding to that, going up and down, reaching a speed of 115 miles per hour, and then making our way back over to the regional airport, making sure we're not in O'Hare or DuPage's airspace.
Alright, we'll look both ways. Clear. Let's make sure the white needle goes in the green for oil pressure. Yeah. So as the engine goes a little bit more, the generator light will go off. So we'll just release the brakes. This is our gas pedal. Throttle.
Now we turn right, heading 290 to depart runway 29.
Line up in the center. I look at the American flag in front of the building.
Alright.
Because we can see that, and we also have the wind section. Same thing, so I'll turn the ailerons.
Okay.
We'll spread like this, keep this all the way over to compensate for the wind when we're taking off to the less than it. But we don't want to get blown all over, so slowly get the gas.
A few moments after gaining control of the aircraft, we crossed over I-90 West before commencing our first turn. Next, Butch asked me to ascend from 1,500 to 2,000 feet. Before making it as far south as Campton Hills, we decided to turn left heading 090 and head back to the airport. Then we made our last left turn. At this point, Butch took the controls again, and also called ATC, to make sure that we weren't landing when another aircraft was, or when an aircraft were taking off.
Okay, that's off. Lights off. Masters our battery. This is the magnetos. This is what gives the spark. We got lost.